YouTube, what's going on? It's been a while, man. Let me walk around this thing first, man. I need a little upgrade. Yes, sir. Go ahead, do a walk around one time for y'all. Alright. New tail lights, man. Got them new joints in there, man. Got them for a nice price. Beautiful, man. New wheels, 2018 Silverado, 17-inch. Brand new. I got, what I got on here? I think 265/70. Yeah. I gotta get some lug nuts. Them ugly on here, but yeah. Rims brand new, man. Fresh. Tires brand new. I was gonna go with a bigger tire. With a bigger rim. But I decided to keep it at a 17 for right now. Paid a nice price for those two. Sweet lick. Yeah, that's really what's going on now, man. A little upgrade, a little minor upgrade. I'm gonna get my headlights sometime in another week or so. I really don't know which ones I want, so I ain't ordering them yet. So once I figure it out, then I'll order them. But right now, it's what we looking like, man. Small little upgrade. Looking good. One thing I am gonna do, I'm changing the color of this badge. I'm gonna put the original badge back on here, the gold badge. And I'm gonna order them Z71 decals with the gold lining on it right here. This back here, we ain't gonna worry about that right now. I ain't even focused on that right now. I'm gonna take care of it, but I ain't focused on it right now. I do gotta put a manifold gasket and a knock sensor on here too. So that's why I say I ain't too much worried about the body right now. You know, I'm gonna just focus on doing my minor little upgrades to it for right now, other than the body work. But yeah, this is my baby, man. My 05 Chevy Tahoe. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Pretty. I'm gonna redo my tent also. I'm gonna just do probably 20 all the way around. You know, got pulled over for it. It's cool though. I might still leave this back 5%, and the rest of these right here probably be, 20. So yeah, man, you already know what's going on. Like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram, Car Life Tone, and it's going, man. Still more upgrades to come. Y'all already know, man. Stay tuned. Keep rocking with me, y'all.